You say you built it yourself from what? A junk?
Well, I had a '93 Dodge Dakota and extended cab, and then I had a '39 Dodge truck, and I put them together. I switched the cab to fit the frame. See, I kept the running gear and the dashboard and the floorboard, so I stretched the cab to fit the floor. So I got the interior, I got the seats and stuff out of the Dakota, and the engine and stuff out of the Dakota.
Wow, that sounds great.
It's tight. Look at it. Tight fit.
But it fit.
TIT, tight.
Let's take a look at that interior before I shut her down.
Where are you?
I live here. I'm from military background. My father's military, but my family's originally from northern Maine, rural.
And then
Rural is
jump seat in
good.
the back.
Good job. Oh, I see. That's a little bit more of a modern exterior.
Yeah.
It's awesome, dude.
Yeah, I got a lot of that '93 Dakota parts.
I used to do this for motorcycle rallies. You know, cars, trucks, motorcycles, all the people that were the miniature stores and everything else. They make motorcycles out of Chevy engines. You know what? It's crazy.
And it's 4-wheel drive,
Motorsports world.
5-speed.
It's awesome. Thanks for letting me take a look at it. I'll get the tailgate as we get.